everyone, I am Ricky and welcome to today's edition of the Mouse Bites. The Mouse Bites are your latest Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Disney Cruise Line, and Universal Orlando news. Now, about a year ago, Disney shared with guests that they would be updating Splash Mountain and it would have a brand new re-theme around the film The Princess and the Frog. Now, today, Disney shared a little more information about what guests are going to be able to experience when they finally get to ride on this attraction. Now, the story is going to take place after the final kiss. Guests are going to join Prince Naveen, Louis, and Tiana on her latest adventure. During the attraction, guests are going to see that Tiana is hosting a one-of-a-kind Mardi Gras celebration. The attraction, which hasn't been named just yet, will include original music that is inspired by songs of the film, and trust me, the music from The Princess and the Frog is some of my favorite music, ever. I seriously belt out Almost There, all the time. And along the journey, guests are going to be able to encounter some old friends as well as meet some new ones. Now, with this latest attraction update, Disney didn't share any details on when Splash Mountain would be closing or timeline on when the new attraction will be opening, so just make sure you stay tuned to the Mouse for Less and we will share all the details with you. Moving over to a few new ways that guests are going to be able to enter the parks early and stay in the parks a little bit later. So, beginning on October 1st, as part of the Most Magical Celebration, Walt Disney World Resort guests and guests at select other hotels are going to be able to experience the parks just a little bit early with early theme park entry. Now, the Walt Disney World Resort is introducing this brand new offering, and it will give guests 30 minutes entry into any theme park every single day. Now, this new option is going to help better spread out guests along all 4 theme parks, as well as add more choice and flexibility, and it gives guests staying on site an extra perk on their vacation. So guests can visit themouseforless.com to find out the full list of attractions that are going to be available at all 4 theme parks, because trust me, it is a lot to go through. So visit the Mouse for Less's news section and find out which attractions you'll get to experience during this exclusive opportunity for Disney Resort Hotel guests. Another perk for Disney Resort Hotel guests, however, this perk is only for guests staying at Deluxe or Deluxe Villa Resort Hotels, is extended evening hours. Now, this is going to take place on select nights in select theme parks. To start with, this perk appears that it will only take place on Mondays and Wednesdays at the Magic Kingdom and at Epcot. Now, not all on the same day. They're going to be on 2 separate days. So guests staying at these deluxe resort hotels will receive 2 additional hours of theme park time. And if you would like to see the full list of the attractions that are available for guests to experience during the evening hours, then you can check those out on the Mouse for Less as well. That's going to do it for all the news that I have for you today. Make sure you follow along with the Mouse for Less on all of our social sites. So you have Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. Also, you're going to want to make sure you subscribe to our newsletter. You can do that by clicking the giant red banner at the top that says subscribe to our free newsletters. If you have comments about anything that I talked about, make sure you leave those below. I want to know what your thoughts are, so make sure you share those with me. If you want to book a trip to the Walt Disney World Resort, or maybe you want to go to Disneyland, then you can visit our friends at the Magic for Less Travel. They would be more than happy to assist you and get you a free, no obligation quote. Just visit them today at themagicforless.com. That's going to do it for me. We'll see you the next time on The Mouse Bites. Have a great day, everyone.